Yes, I take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone. Please, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please tap that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our teachings here about goat farming and cattle at sometimes. Now, today I want us to tackle about a question that have been asked by many people, by many followers of mine here, and I know that it is very beneficial to all of us. Now, you people, you have been asking me that what do you do? What do I do to see that my goat farming or my goat farm is progressing and is really succeeding well? Of course, there are many things that you have to do, but today I want to share about some things that are really very important and matters a lot before you start and after when you start. Let us see how we can start about this. First of all, you people, I have been coming all along telling you that you need a business plan. A business plan, you can make it for yourself or you can tell us to make it for you, because someone who is experienced about goat farming or about any business is the right person to ask or to try to see that he tells you what you need to do in terms of goat farming. It is very good and very beneficial, you people, to have a business plan, to see the projection of the business, how it will be doing, the challenges and other things like the market. Now, after knowing a business plan, know your goal in this business. Are you want to be a breeder? Are you want to be to see that you do meat goats or milk goats? With that, you have to know the market analysis near you so that you don't dive into something that will not really give you profits out of it. Another thing, you have to work with professional people to see that they help you in setting up your farm and help you in managing it until when you are well conversant with it. That one will help you to avoid losses in the way and to tell you the exact thing that you really need, like how we help our customers and our clients who decide to see that they enter into this business. Then another thing, you have to source your animals from credible sources. And this I mean you have to source quality animals, healthy animals that won't be a problem when you bring them to your farm. Another thing, the business plan will help you to know how many animals can your land raise and which system is suitable for your land, as in size and its fertility. After stocking your animals, put much emphasis on your management. I will make a video about management and in a broader way, in a detailed way, such that you people, you really understand what management is. Of course, much emphasis on your management and nutrition. Nutrition, or that one, what does your animals eat? What do you feed your animals to say that you really maximize the profits out of it? Another thing, put endless efforts on reducing mortality rate in animals, especially the kids. If you're losing a lot of kids, I'm assuring you, you cannot succeed in this business, because the kids are the profits of your business. Another thing, maximize all products from your farm, especially charging people who visit your farm, the droppings you sell them, and other value addition options that you can do to see that you really maximize the profits and do something that is very good and it is very valuable to people. Another thing, of course, you need to know this, you people who are really yearning to enter in this business. Any business with market for its products under proper management can't fail. Let me hope you have understood my statement. Any business with market, meaning that your produce, you won't fight a lot to see that you sell it out. You have to take note of that. With that, I think I can stop here, and we see I will be bringing a lot of things about goat farming. So please follow us and share our videos to those who may benefit. This is Int'l Construction and Farm Consultants Limited.